Hello everyone, let's solve this interesting question for today. Why I said interesting is the information we have is very minimal, but we have to find the area of square. The only information we have is the distance between the side of the square and circumference of the circle, which is equal to 1 unit. Let's name some points in the diagram. O, A, B. We know AB length is equal to 1 unit. We know OB is the radius of the circle. We name the radius of the circle as R. So OA is equals to R minus 1. Now to solve this question, let me introduce you to a very interesting theorem, intersecting chords theorem. The intersecting chords theorem states that when two chords of circle intersect within the circle, the product of segment of one chord is equal to the product of segment of other chord. Now to use this theorem, let's draw diameter for this circle and name it as C. Now CB is chord of the circle. Diameter is the biggest chord for the circle. And name two vertices of the square as DE. DE is chord. So now if we use the intersecting of chords theorem, CA multiplied by AB is equals to DA multiplied to AE. Yes, OC is the radius of the circle. CA is equals to R plus R minus 1 multiplied by AB, which is equals to 1, and DA multiplied by AE. Let me introduce you guys to one more theorem, which is perpendicular chords theorem. A perpendicular line drawn from center to the chord bisects the chord into two equal parts. DA and AE are equal. Let's think DA is equals to AE is equals to x. So 2R minus 1 is equals to x multiplied by x, which is equals to 2R minus 1 is equals to x squared. Until here everything is unknown. If you observe the diagram carefully, CA is equals to FT, which is the side of the square. All sides are equal, so it is also equals to DE. We know the length for DE, which is equals to 2 times of x. So CA is equals to 2x. Now the length of CA is OC plus OA equals to 2 times of x. OC is equals to R and OA is R minus 1 from here, which is equals to 2x. So 2x is equal to 2R minus 1. In this equation also we have the term 2x 2R minus 1. So in the place of 2R minus 1, if you substitute 2x, which is equals to x square, x is equals to 2. So from the diagram, DE is equals to 2x. So the length of DE is equals to 4. So now we know the side of the square. So the area of the square is side square, which is equals to 4 square. So area of square is 16 square unit.